Hello everyone. We're going to go over today how to mine MimbleWimble coin with our G1 and G1-MINI ASIC miner from iApollo through the WoolyPooly mining pool. So let's go ahead and head over to WoolyPooly.com, and under MWC or MimbleWimble coin, let's go ahead and hit connection. They allow two types of mining here: paper last end shares and solo mining. But the setup is the same for solo. But we're going to go over and set up the PPL nest. Select Auto Geo as your region. For the miner, G1 and G1-MINI ASIC. And then for the wallet address, um, we can go ahead and copy the MCW or MWCMQ address as is. So the whole string, copy that over and paste that into the wallet address field. Step 4, worker name. I can just name that anything I want. For this demo, I just called it rig1. Step 5, you'll see the pool stratum address, which we'll enter in the G1 and G1-MINI pool configuration. And then here's our WoolyPooly username, specific for WoolyPooly only. So you can tell they converted our wallet address into like a unique string only for WoolyPooly. You can verify that because the username starts with a WP for WoolyPooly. That's how you know that it was successfully converted into a WoolyPooly username. So let's go ahead and go over to the miner dashboard settings. Let's go under pool configuration. I already preset this up. Make sure that you're on green 31, and the pool 1 address is the stratum plus TCP :// pool.woolypooly.com :11,000. And here the pool 1 worker is the username that we just converted. So remember, it started with a WP, so we're just going to paste that here. For pool 1 password, just leave that as X. That's a pretty standard thing. And then we save and apply. And then we'll see in the dashboard that we have successfully converted our MWCMQ address into a WoolyPooly username. We'll give it a few seconds. We should be able to see the hash rate. There we go. So that means we have successfully converted our MWCMQ address to a WoolyPooly username. Hope you enjoyed this, and happy mining.